Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on BINAXRYX or Binaryx. I think that's the name of the project. And we're back. All right. I've covered this project for the last 3 years, here and there. I actually covered the old Binaryx as well, and we're back again. I mean, if you don't know this project, it's pretty crazy. All right. And what happened over the last 24 hours is that the volume has gone up to $913 million, which is absolutely ridiculous. All right, that's extremely high, and I wanted to do a full video on it. I kind of wanted to prepare you for what's possible, talk about what's most likely in general, what you should know. And trust me, I've covered Binaryx quite often. If you're not early to this, don't even try. All right, most of retail loses money on BNX. This is a zero-sum market. All right, if $1 million is being lost somewhere, it's being won by somebody else. And Binaryx, I mean, if you go across its history, it is a very manipulated coin. All right, and I know right now that the whole BNB ecosystem is doing great, and that's amazing. But there's zero reason why Binaryx would have a volume of $912 million when one of the best actual projects on Binance has almost has a little bit more than half than that, right? So yes, there's a reason why this is bullish, and it can definitely rally up higher. However, there's definitely insiders and manipulators at work here. They will make money, so that means that retail loses money. All right, so be careful. And if you don't know the whole story about the old BNX, which you can still see the price action right here, what they did and what the price did back in the days, before they actually launched the new BNX, and the price absolutely plummeted. A lot of people lost money on that. Just be careful. Now, looking at the situation right now, like I said, the whole BNB ecosystem narrative right now is popping off, and they're doing quite well. I mean, BNB itself is doing great. BNX is doing great. PancakeSwap is very bullish. Teams is bullish. TST, the Binance coin is doing bullish, is being quite bullish. But for BNX, I would say short term, looking at the 4-hour time frame, the most likely direction still is up. All right, because if we go over a couple of things, first of all, we actually broke above 50 cents here on the 4-hour time frame, so that's bullish. Second of all, you can see the open interest is still, moving up higher. There's a bit of a pullback in the last hour and a half, but that's not the end of the world. The funding rate for BNX is minus 2% or minus 3% on Binance, which means that if you long this, you actually get 3% of your position value every 8 hours. I think it's still every 8 hours. Maybe they turn into 4 hours, which is a massive incentive to long this. And the volume at this point of time, even though it's very, very high, it's still growing. All right, so there's still new momentum coming into the price right here. It's still pulling that liquidity. So for all of those reasons, I would still say it's most likely this is going higher. Now, the first real price target we have to hit is that level around 75 cents. That is the most important level. All right, if you zoom all the way out, you can see that that's the level, that was the main resistance level before every uptrend. That was the main support level before every downtrend. Most of the liquidity is there. And then you also have the 382 FIB there and 75 cents psychological support level. What I would say is most likely for now is that we will be able to get up there. We might be able to actually spike higher than that. But ultimately, I do not think it's going to sustainably break out. All right, so what I would expect short term is something like this. Now, I will keep you updated on this if you're interested in that. But for now, those are my thoughts. All right, so like I said, and I'll say it again, be careful trading this. But honestly, it still looks bullish for now. Those are my thoughts. Have a great day. Thank you for watching, and take care.